Hi, everybody. Justina from the Art College. Welcome to our wonderful art questions that we get. And the question we've got today is, what colors and what techniques can beginners use to practice their skills, such as in drawing or mixing colors? Now, what I tend to do consistently is looking at our universal shapes. What are those universal shapes? And how can you make sure when you're drawing the universal shapes, you are moving the line over and over and over, because that's helping you to be confident in putting a pencil pressure to the paper, and also to get your hand and eye to draw at the same speed. So that's one of the techniques I highly recommend. Then the next thing is observation. So observing if the shape is long or short or fat or thin or squashed or all those kinds of areas, and then comparing those shapes with the rest of the image. So if it is a teddy bear, if that's two ovals, is that oval the same size as that oval, which is generally not. And starting to break down huge images into universal shapes. So I would recommend practicing those. Are very, very important when you're trying to start with that. Then the other thing is mixing colors. I would recommend, if you are looking at painting, it's more of the sticking to your primary colors, which is your red, blue, and yellow, and mixing and matching those colors together first. So, exploring different quantities. If I mix those together, what color would that turn out? If I mix those together, what color would that turn out? And keep almost like a track list of what you've mixed together, so you can start having confidence in your mixing of your colors. And especially when you're doing it, it's about how you're cleaning your brush, how are you cleaning your colors, how are you using your kitchen towel, all those things, so that when you start actually painting, you're not overwhelmed by trying to just get those colors and mix them.